Massey Ferguson 231 ignition switch. Pretty much the same in all tractors. 4 terminals, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This first one is 12 volt from the battery, and this one also 12 volt goes to the turn signal and headlight switches, as well as the horn. First turn of the key, connect this 12 volts with this terminal, which goes to the dashboard, lights and gauges, and this one goes to the stator in the alternator. This one, third turn of the key, goes to the heater in the air intake, and the 4 position in the key goes to the solenoid, starter solenoid right here. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4.